Welcome to the analysis of mat footing. This is the foundation design assignment. I, Pranay Dhenge. My team members are Jivan Digrase and Sejal Satpute. We are performing analysis on mat footing. This is the mat footing. There are 16 types of column and two different sizes are there. One is 500 by 500 and another is 600 by 600. Before that, we defined materials as concrete material and rebar material. We define materials from define menu. Go to the materials, add new material is M40 and M40 for concrete, HYSD 500 for rebar. Okay. After that, we define slab properties as mat footing. Modify slash show properties. Now the thickness of slab is 500. Okay to cancel. The loads on this column given taken from the previous model tall building assignment. The loads on this column 1, the loads are dead load are 1850 and live load is 797.6. All the values of dead and live load on every column taken from previous model tall building assignment. Okay, now we are performing analysis on this model. Go to the run, click on run analysis and design. Wait for the analysis is done. We can check the displacement values of slab by pointing and moving the cursor on this slab. We can see the values of displacement. So go to the display menu and check for show punching shear design. All the values want to be below 1 for punching shear design. All the values are 4, 3.9. There is only two value below 1, 0.8 and 0.1. We have to reduce all the values to below 1. So perform analysis again. The analysis done, the model is locked. Before that, unlock the model first and go to the define menu and click on slab properties, modify slash show property and increase the slab thickness up to 1000 mm. Click on OK to exit. Run analysis again. Analysis done. Now again check for show punching shear design. Go to the display menu, show punching shear design. Still some of the values are not below 1. So we have to increase again the slab thickness. Repeat the same procedure. Unlock the model first. Go to the define menu, slab properties, modify slash show property. Now this time increase the slab thickness on 1250 mm. Click on OK to exit. Now go to the run tab, run analysis and design. Analysis is done. We can again check punching shear design. Go to the display menu, show punching shear design values. Now all the values are below 1. That means our design passed the check. Okay, we can see extrude view from, go to the set display options, extrude view, click on OK and click on 3D view. This is the extrude view and 3D view of mat footing. Go to again plan view, lock that extrude view again. Here is the analysis of mat footing on Safe Foundation software. Thank you.